Hi folks, I'd like to introduce you to a crowdfunding program that I'm currently in. JuicyFields, they manufacture and sell CBD products to pharmaceuticals, and they give us the opportunity to invest into their crowd growing company, which they're currently in. I've been with JuicyFields for 6 months now, and I've already had some investments harvest and profits back. So yeah, in my eyes, they're very credible. So I'd like to share it with you, or just show you the platform here. There's 4 investment opportunities: Juicy Flash, Juicy Mist, Juicy Kush, and Juicy Haze. And basically, you're buying one plant or up to 90 plants, or as many as you like, and you sponsor that plant. And once the plant's cycle is finished and harvested, you gain your seed money, your investment money back, plus profits. So as an example here, Juicy Flash, the growing period is 108 days, and that's just one cycle. And you get there's the maximum and minimum yield for this plant, so it's 45 to 55 grams per plant, and you get €1.50 per gram, and so you'll receive anywhere from 68 to 83 from one plant, and one plant costs you €50. So my first cycle I done 90, so it cost me €4,500, and I received I think it was I can't remember exactly now, but I remember I received about €7,200 back, which was the average yield for that plant. And I basically took 4,500 out of the return I got from that, and I bought another 90 plants, and so I kept 2,000 euros as profit. So also the second options is a recurring renewable plant. So a Juicy Mist, you get 4 payments, you get 4 harvests a year, and that continues for 3 years at a one-off price for €2,000. So for €2,000 for 4 years, you get 4 harvests a year. So every 3 months, you'll get anything per plant. You'll get anything from €300 to €400. So you can go with 2 plants. 2 plants, it cost you 4,000. 4 times a year, you would receive anything from 600 to 800, so say €700, 4 times a year for 3 years for that one-off payment of €2,000. So that's Juicy Mist. And next one down is Juicy Kush. This investment plan, it lasts for 4 years, but you get 3 harvests a year, so every 4 months you get paid out, and the sell price is €250 per gram. So profit per plant is anything from 500 to 750, and there again the plant will cost you €2,000. And Juicy Haze, which is the actual one I went for when I first got into this company 6 months ago, and you get 2 harvests a year, but for 5 years renewable. It's constant for the one-off payment for €2,000. Sorry. So harvest is in between the bigger yields, from 300 to 400 grams per plant, and the sell price is slightly higher because of the strength of the CBD on the Juicy Haze. And profit per plant is in between 900 and 1,200. And I've got one in drying and curing stage, or packaging stage, and I got somewhere in the middle there. So I think I'm going to receive something like €1,050 per plant. So so I'll show you the greenhouse here. So this is currently what I've got, my investments, currently what I've got on the grow. That's my 90. That's my second cycle of having 90 plants. It's 22% through the process of cloning and rooting. So there's 14 days of cloning and rooting, then it goes into vegetation and mass, and there'll be 30 days of vegetation and mass, and this progress bar will take you all the way along. After the 30 days of vegetation and mass, you go into flowering and pre-harvest. Once you reach 100% at the end here, and you see the the tick or the green circle full, then you go into the warehouse and you start the drying and curing and packing stage. So this is the warehouse. This is my 2 Juicy Haze, the 6-month cycle for 5 years. So every 6 months for 5 years, I will receive this. So 2 plants, I landed to 692 grams, which is somewhere in the middle of what was agreed. And I'm currently 2 days away from selling my harvest, selling my crop, selling some harvest. Once 2 days is up, the tick will come in this box. This sell harvest button will highlight up. I will sell harvest, and all my profits will be shown in this box up here in euros. And immediately you can transfer it out back to your fiat bank account, which takes a few working days, I believe, or it takes probably 1 hour to go into your crypto wallet. You can transfer it in Bitcoin and USDT, I think, as well. I don't know if they're doing ethereum yet. Yeah, so it's a good little program. It's fun. I've really enjoyed this one, and that's why I'm staying in, and I'm going to go in for another cycle, and I'm going to compound as well. You know, with this Juicy Haze, I should receive about, from this 692 in 2 days, I should receive 2,070 euros. I'll probably end up buying another Juicy Haze for 2,000. So in 6 months' time, I'll have 3 Juicy Haze coming to harvest, and I'll just keep on compounding, because basically my initial investment is more or less paid off. So yeah, with going down to here, I've already got 2 for 5 years, and for one of them I'll receive 1,000 up to 1,200. So I should receive in 2 days, so just over 2,000 euros. I'll probably buy one more, and then in 6 months' time, I'll have free harvesting for the next 4.5 years, 4 years. So yeah, and I'll probably, I don't know, I'll probably just keep on compounding this until I'll get to a point where I'm happy with, and then I'll just let the profits play out. But yeah, good little program. If you are interested, there is a link below. Be much appreciated if you clicked on that. Thanks very much. Bye bye.